Paula Creamer, a fabulous week for you at 13 under par. I'm sure you're thrilled, even though you weren't able to grab the big soccer trophy, as Lorena called it.
And it was a great week. So many fans out here. It was unbelievable. I tried. I played good. It's a learning experience for me out here, and as long as I could put some pressure on her, I thought I could do it.
Yeah, was there a turning point for you? Maybe I know you had a couple of short putts missed, but also when you got within two, she came back with the birdie that followed.
Right.
Was it in around there that maybe it got away?
I think a little bit. The next hole after that, the par five, that kind of hurt me there, just momentum-wise. But I gave myself a ton of chances out there, and that's all you can ask for on Sunday is just looks. And what are you going to do? I tried my hardest.
I know the galleries love the way that you guys pay so much attention and sign the autographs and always there with a smile. What about the Edmonton crowd? What kind of experience was it for you guys?
Oh, this was a fantastic week. This is by far one of the biggest crowds that we've ever had in an LPGA event, and that's wonderful. You want to come to a town that's really involved, and they really have made us feel welcome, and hopefully we can come back soon, that's for sure.
All right, well, good luck in Portland in pink. Thanks for this.
Thank you very much, Brad.
Rob.
Paula